So in this video I want to show you how to set up alarm clock in Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite. First you need to open this panel and then click on the time number on the top, and here go to the first tab and here click on the plus button and set the desired time for alarm clock, for example this. And here we can also select ringtone alarms and then repeat once daily on the custom, for example Saturday and Sunday, and click OK. Then click on the check mark on the top right corner, and as can we see it work. You can turn on off this option if you need, or turn not again. And that's all for today. Goodbye.